I had a hip revision surgery in August of 2017. I had a cobalt in my blood from a metal on metal hip, and I went to have the hip revised. And when I woke up from the surgery, my leg was paralyzed from the knee down, from a pinched sciatic nerve. And then a year later, I had a infection in my back that bursted, and it was tied to my leg because I couldn't move my leg prior to the surgery. I couldn't move my leg and breathe at the same time, and I had to have surgery on my back to remove the infection. So, what do you think about that?
Richard, I'm sorry you've been through all that.
Yeah.
You know, that there are known complications with every surgery, and sometimes doctors and patients don't get the outcomes they're looking for, even though the surgeon does everything that he can do and does it correctly. But there are other times when the surgeries are flawed, or maybe the product that's being used, for instance your hip, you've probably seen on television and elsewhere, there were a lot of problems with some of those hips back through the years. What we do as lawyers is we would come and talk to you, or you could come into our office and talk to us. We're not doctors, so we have to get outside counsel. We have to hire doctors to review your medical file to determine whether malpractice happened or not. So, Richard, probably the best thing you should do is get in to see a lawyer that handles medical malpractice cases as soon as you can, because you have a 2-year window, and it sounded like you're getting real close to that, so you need to get with someone right away.